Here I have REALME Narzo 20A, and today I'm going to show you how to enable installation from the unknown sources on this device. So firstly, you will have to open settings, then go to the security section, and here you have to go to the unknown sources installation. Here you can see the whole list of apps which you can install from the unknown sources. For example, let's enable this to the Google Chrome, and after that you can install unknown apps through the Google Chrome. You can do the same thing, for example, for Opera, Bluetooth, Drive, File Manager, and other apps from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.